Hi everyone, I am Swarnendu Srimani. I have been working in L&T for last 5 years as a sales and marketing guy in construction equipment business. Today my topic is Make in India. Back in 25th of September 2014, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced this initiative. He intended not only to boost up the existing manufacturing units, but also to attract the global investors so that they could see India not only as a marketplace but also as a manufacturing hub. It was not only an exceptional idea but also a need of that hour because this initiative focused on development of road infrastructure, power generation, which are the bare minimum necessities for any country to live forward. Secondly, India has such a rich mineral resources. Even after that, its manufacturing unit contributes only up to 16% of the total GDP, which is much lower than that of our expectation level of 25%. If you look at the business processes, it has not been up to the mark. The World Bank has ranked India as low as 130 as low as 130 in 2016, which is much worse than that of our expectation level of being in top 50. Delayed in policy implementation, complicated tax structure have always been an issue, have been the issues in business processes in this country. Above all, the logistic cost has been the highest. It contributes almost 13 to 14% of the country's GDP, which is much higher than that of 8 to 9% of the developing countries across the globe. Government has started taking certain initiatives so that it can improve the business environment. And the entry level in the business has become less formal. Getting a license has become more simplified. The validity of the same has been increased. E-auction and other smart business processes have been in place. Tax revamping tax structure is going on to make it more attractive for the global investors. If you look at the demography of this country, the median age is only 27, which makes it quite young. But there is always a question on the skill level. Indian government has started some certain initiatives to improve, develop the skill level, and it has set a target of building 500 million skilled laborers by 2022. A major portion of this labor goes to small scale and micro scale of industry, which require government's attention for developing a better credit policy so that they can get easy funding. After all, to make this initiative a reality, both government and industry have to formulate strategy through their bilateral dialogues. Uh, the country, uh, the country offers a huge potential within itself, which has to be grabbed in if the country has to become a if India has to become a manufacturing giant by 2025.